As director of the National Cancer Institute, it is my great honor to present these awards on behalf of NIH Director Dr. Francis Collins. Normally, this event would be a time for handshakes and high fives, grinning photographer, and many rounds of well-deserved applause from colleagues and friends in appreciation and admiration of these significant achievements. These awards recognize the greatest achievements of all of the Institute's centers and offices within the NIH, and that is saying a lot. As you well know, NIH is home to some of the best researchers, administrators, clinicians, technicians, managers, you name it, anywhere. And I think I'm justified in saying that at the NCI, we have more than our fair share of these great individuals. In other words, you are the best of the best and the brightest of the brightest. Even though this event is different than in previous years, the most important part of this award ceremony is the same, and that is that it involves you and your remarkable achievements, and nothing can take away from that. Chances are that this year's recognition came after many years or even decades of work, during which time you navigated many challenges. You took on great responsibilities and perhaps even some risks. You may have overcome your own cynicism and apprehension to reach these goals, and you may have had to counter others' doubts and misgivings along the way. Faced with similar challenges, others might have just given up and walked away, but you didn't. You saw what could be done better, and you didn't get this far without a lot of hard work and a lot of perseverance and a passion to do more. You didn't just deliver what was probable, you demonstrated what was possible. Individually, you are all remarkable. Collectively, I don't know of any other team of people in any field who would have given more of themselves to help others. Collectively, your work has touched the lives of the cancer research community and improved the health of many people living with cancer. The ripple effect of what you've done is real and continuing. Even though we can't celebrate in the traditional ways, know that you are valued and respected and admired for this work. Your work is as important today as it ever was, and I am honored to work alongside you. Congratulations. And without further ado, in the scientific and medical category, I am pleased to recognize the Chronic Pancreatitis, Diabetes, and Pancreatic Cancer team for exceptional creativity and leadership in implementing funding initiatives to address the nexus between pancreatic disease and cancer. This group includes Dana Anderson, Charmista Ghosh-Janjigian, Stephen James, Joanne Rinaldo, Jose Serrano, Sudhir Srivastava, and Ainur Onup Aradi. Also for outstanding scientific and medical achievement, Dr. Bob Hoover of DCEG in recognition of outstanding scientific contributions to our understanding of the long-term health effects of hormonal medications. And to Dr. James Kokendorfer of CCR for the development of novel and clinically effective chimeric antigen receptor CAR T-cell therapies for multiple myeloma and lymphoma. And to Dr. Tom Mistelli for superior skill, vision, creativity, and effectiveness in leading one of the NIH's largest intramural research programs. To the patient-reported outcomes team for visionary leadership in developing patient-reported outcomes as an integral part of clinical trials in the NIH intramural program. And this includes Dr. Terry Armstrong and Dr. Pamela Wolters. In the administrative category, we recognize the CIMAC-CIDC agreement team for extraordinary innovation, perseverance, and mediation that allowed for the development of agreements and guidelines, which resulted in the CIMAC-CIDC network becoming a reality. And that goes to Stacy Adam, Anna Amar, Sherry Ansher, Helen Shin, Jason Cristoforo, Rebecca Enos, David Patton, Jenny Peterson-Klaus, Jeffrey Revelius, Lynn Smelkinson, Magdalena Thurin, David Woolley, and Jin Chao Zhang. We also recognize Jason Levine for his critical efforts in modernizing and maintaining the information technology infrastructure of the NIH Clinical Center and NIH's Center for Cancer Research. We recognize the NCI Technology Transfer Ambassadors Program team in recognition of the NCI Tech Transfer Ambassadors Program lab to market training for postdoctoral scientists across the NIH. And that goes to Abriti Dal, Taryn Dick, Rose Friel, and Laura Prestia. We recognize the Rabson Award for Clinical Care, and this goes to Dr. Stephanie Goff for scientific and medical excellence and the outstanding compassionate care that she's shown for her patients and for those who love them. For mentoring, to Dr. Jonathan Wiest for exemplary performance while demonstrating significant leadership skill and ability in serving as a mentor. We recognize the NIH Work Life and Wellbeing Champion, and that's Cheryl Royce, for outstanding leadership in creating a supportive and effective environment for clinical center research nurses while promoting career development, employee engagement, and workplace flexibilities. Again, congratulations to you all. Thank you for your contributions, past, present, and future, and I salute you with a round of virtual applause.